Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make garlic potato rings. It's a crunchy potato snack recipe. It is best when served along with tomato sauce. Let's move to the video. In a container, take 2 potatoes. Boil it for 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. Our potato has boiled well. Transfer it into a bowl. In a pan, take 20 grams of butter and heat it. We have taken unsalted butter. After that, add 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 100 ml of water and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Switch off the flame and add 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour and mix it well. Transfer it into a bowl and keep it for later use. Take the boiled potatoes, squash the potatoes with your hands like this. Then add the butter maida mixture to it. Mix it well. Now add 4 tablespoons corn flour and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. To make garlic potato rings on a clean kitchen countertop, take some quantity of the mix and roll like this. Then bend it and join the edges like this to make ring forms. For frying, take a pan and heat 2 tablespoons oil. Place the rings in the pan. And fry until it becomes golden in color. Flip the sides after frying one side. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Remove it into a bowl. Our crispy garlic potato rings are ready. Try this delicious snack along with tomato sauce. You will definitely enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.